let us see now how to change the data source. For example, now we saw that the exercise file was in a specific folder. Now let's say after your development stage, when you are developing the your Power BI report, you want to change the destination folder, and you want to change that folder from a development stage to the go live stage. Okay, so based on that, uh, you got to know that how to change the path of your data source. So here in our home tab, we have transform data. Okay, within transform data, you got to select the data source setting. Okay, this is where you will be able to change the data source of your Excel workbook. Okay, the path of the Excel workbook can be changed with the help of data source setting in transform data. So click on that file and select change source. Okay, check change source. It will open a dialog box where it will prompt you. It will show you the current path, and now you want to change the uh, path source. Okay, click on the browse. Okay, and select the relevant new folder where this file is located, and double click on that, and you get you get to see this is how you can change the path location of your data source, which is an Excel file, and click OK, and your data source path has been changed. Click close, and it is changed. There's another way. Okay, I'll show you how to change through a query setting. First way we saw that how to change through a transform data source setting within the data source setting from the toolbar. There's a second way where we can change through the query settings. Okay, query setting is what we will change the setting through query editor. Okay, we'll learn in detail the query editor, the transformation tool which is used in Power BI. But for now, just concentrate how to change the source of the file by a second method through a query editor. So you can just click on the table on the right hand side. Okay, right click on the table and click edit query. Okay, and you can just and you can just go to the source in the applied step over here. And here, if you see on the formula bar, you have the path already available here. Okay, so very simple. In Power Query Editor, you will have to go to the source step, and within the source step, just change the copy and paste and change the source over here in the formula bar. It is that simple. Select the new path. Okay, copy, and very simple, copy and paste in the source applied steps. It is that simple. Okay, so it get registered, and you can click close and apply, and your path is changed. So you saw there are two ways. Okay, to change the data source setting, the path where the data source Excel file is located. This is how you can change the path. Okay,